Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing and making our first test in the Tonor Td510, that is a USB and XLR dynamic microphone. That is around $60 and for what I hear is really good. Now this is a Cardioid pattern microphone and now let's do the unboxing, and after we set it up into the PC, and I'm going to try it in both ways, with the USB and with the XLR. I really like the package of Tonor, so let's see how this comes. We have some pretty good weight for it. Now here is the instruction manual. As always, we don't need that. Here is the microphone itself. Wow, it's pretty heavy, guys. It's of metal. As you can see here on the back, you have the XLR connection, the USB Type-C connection, something really great to see. I love Tonor that you make USB-C, and an headphone output so you can monitor your audio. Here on the top, as you can see, you have one plus and minus, that is for the volume of the headphones, as well as a mute button for when you want to stop the sound. Now, really good filter included with this. This is the microphone itself, and let's see what more is inside of the box. Oh, really nice inclusion with an XLR cable as well as an USB to USB Type-C cable to connect it to your PC. Now, that is pretty much it. Really simple. And one thing that you guys have to know when you purchase this microphone, this doesn't come with any stand. So if you don't have any stand or boom arts in your setup, you're going to need to buy one separately. Before we set it up into the PC and test it, that you guys know that I'm going to be comparing this microphone with the SHURE MV7 that I have right there into my streaming setup. Now, let's jump into the PC. So now I already set up the microphone itself with the boom arm, and I'm going to be using for this first test the XLR connection, set it up to the Go XLR that I have set up right here. This is the same that I use when I'm using my SHURE microphone.
This is an audio test of the Tonor Td510 microphone with and without post-processing in post. This is an audio test of the Tonor Td510 microphone with and without post-processing in post.
Now that you guys hear how this sounds like with the XLR connection, let's swap it up and set it up with the USB cable and to see if we notice any difference. And now I just set up the USB connection. One thing that you guys have to know is that if you are using the XLR connection, you are not going to be able to use the mute button and probably also the volume buttons right here. This is mostly for when you're going to be using the USB cable and connect it directly into your PC. So,
this is an audio test of the Tonor Td510 microphone with and without post-processing in post. This is an audio test of the Tonor Td510 microphone with and without post-processing in post.
So guys, what do you think about the microphone? And do you guys think it's good to compare it to this one right here that is around, what, 5-6 times the price of this one? Maybe you have to subscribe if you want to check it out. So guys, if you enjoy content like this one, if you want to see that comparison video, don't forget to drop a like into this video so I know that you guys enjoy this type of content, and of course subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, tech tutorials, reviews, micro reviews, and more. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.